FaciliWorks Essentials by Cybermetrics is your all-in-one web-based solution for PM, corrective maintenance, and service request management. Navigate over to the asset record area and take note of the fact Essentials utilizes the latest web technology to provide users with things like modifiable grid views, the ability to pick and choose what columns users would like to see. You can even include pictures, hyperlinks, and text instructions to accompany each record type. Both PM and corrective maintenance events allow the user to assign personnel and spare parts, and users can even review attached documentation to ensure that the technicians are performing the PM and CM jobs correctly. Do you need to print out your PM or CM events? Essentials has no issue. It allows you to choose what portions of the printed copy you want to print, so you're not wasting any paper. Do you want your team to submit issues via Essentials? Well, the service request section will provide each user with a personalized view of both their open and completed service requests, and of course gives them the ability to submit a new request. Users will be able to see the picture of the asset that they're selecting to ensure that they're providing the correct information prior to submitting their service request. And finally, how's your team doing? Essentials analysis includes several out-of-the-box key performance indicators, and management can define filter criteria. They can select different date ranges and different priorities. And they can even export the raw data to better interpret the information Essentials captures. One last thing. Part inventory is essential to correctly completing your PM and CM events, and Essentials will do things like warn you when it's time to reorder a part and can forecast what quantity of a part you'll need for upcoming PMs. Have more questions? Contact our sales team to find out.